All right, ladies and gents, time to do a little bit of prospecting. Let's see what we got to work with out of the coin. So, checking out Bitcoin on, we're going to go with the 4 hour. 4 hour, great movement to the downside. We're doing okay there. We will be live trading on Pumpkin, just so everybody knows. So, if you guys feel like copying any of my trades tonight, I do plan on getting into some live trades over here. So, anyways, that's the plan. We're going to see if it comes through. So, let's pull this up here. Good to go. Now then, 4 hour time frame looks all right. We did have a nice pullback, back testing that 200 simple moving average bullishly. Nice to say. And we got back above the blue box of hope. Great. Let's check our 1 hour. 1 hour's not looking fantastic still. Wow, I need to stop moving things. All right. Not looking fantastic still. We still are being held down by our 200 simple moving average. The Bitcoin is being a testy little broad here. But we are maintaining a downtrend, and we're making lower lows. So some might call this a bull flag. Others might say we're looking for a confirmation low. But as for we're just going to go short and YOLO it, I don't think we can do that. I really don't. At least not right now. Let's check our 15 minute. Yeah, our 15 wants to rally tonight, which is interesting to say. So maybe, just maybe, we can try to go long. It's a total maybe. I'd prefer it down here around 70,149. I'd really prefer it down there. As of this moment, it's kind of like, do we try it? Do we not? What's our 5 minutes say? Our 5 minutes says to wait. Ugh. Rough. It says to wait, but could be breaking out right now. Could be breaking out right now. Oh boy, it's testing. It's testing. Let's see if we can actually jump into a Bitcoin long tonight, which would be interesting because I would not expect the hidden bullish divergence on the 5 minute to play out. But here we are, trying to play with the 5 minute as we come into the close of a 4 hour candle. If anybody's wondering, I also am trading gold at the moment, and I'm getting roasted with gold because I got into the trade extraordinarily late. But 40x long on gold right now with the XAUT, so USDT gold is what I'm trading. And currently speaking, I do have a stop loss at 4,491, profit taking at 48.06. So not really looking for much, just a little pop to the upside. That's all I'm looking for. Anyways, Bitcoin right now is interesting to me. And if Bitcoin's going to go up, we're going to see other things go up too. But we need that confirmation candle close outside of the downtrend before we can start getting excited. Before we can get excited. It also helps when you get your downtrend in the right positioning. Oh, there we go. We're getting the break. Beautiful to see it. Could we get a higher low? I would greatly prefer the higher low. Let's check out Ethereum, see how it's looking. Ethereum looks so much better. My goodness, so much better. We got your higher low. You got distinct hidden bullish divergence. What's our 15 looking like? 15 looks pretty decent as well. Hold on. What's our 1 hour? 1 hour, questionable. Very questionable. But I think we're broken out. Broken out. No. Yeah, no. Ugh. Close. Close. So if Bitcoin's going to rally here, we should see Ethereum break out. So Ethereum might actually get a stronger move than Bitcoin. We're getting a confirmed breakout on the 3-minute. That 5-minute probably going to confirm. We're hitting the VWAP right now. If we can get above the VWAP, this is where we'll see the magic start to happen. Getting above that VWAP might be the greatest hope of all time. Just might be. How exciting is this? Let's see. We have some people coming into Pumpkin. Hello there. By the way, on YouTube, if you guys check the description down below, there is a deal going on with Pumpkin. They're trying to give you guys some rebates, as well as if you get $500,000 in trading volume, guess what? You get $100 back in pumpkin seeds. So something you might want to pay attention to, take advantage of, but do it while it lasts. Do it while it lasts. Anyways. I like Ethereum better. And if I like Ethereum better, I might like Hyperliquid the most. Oh boy. Okay, Hyperliquid, yeah. I don't know why Hype has been so good lately, but man oh man, previous resistance, currently acting as a support, beautiful. Still hasn't made it to that 618 though. Pepe got a break to the upside last night. Wow. Wow. Let's see how Bitcoin's looking over here. I mean, Bitcoin's trying. Are we going to see another overnight success? A little success story, a little move to the upside? I'd be aiming at probably 71,632. I don't have that much faith in the movements right now. Feels like with Q1 coming to an end, oh, they are trying to just ravage these markets, doing whatever they can. All right, we do have the confirmation breakout. Beautiful. So we're going to buy the breakout. We're going to buy the breakout. We're going to go with an isolated movement here. We're not going to go crazy on the leverage. We're only going 50x. Only 50x. So let's go ahead and get to it. Buying it a lot. Why don't you ever remind me of this? Taking forever to jump into the trade. Oh man, that's the worst. We're trying to play the impulse here. Come on now. Wow. So this other user only did a 20x. Wow. Wow, way to play it safe. Anyways, currently we are looking for some movement to the upside. We are trading based off a 5-minute time frame, so these trades should go quick. They really should. Always make sure that you are checking what prices you should be getting in and out of, or where your stop losses are on the exchange you're trading on, because things could be different based off the exchange. There we go. So right this moment, right this second, I need to put a 1272 on this thing. Come on, visibility. I only have 3. That doesn't make much sense. Oh, here they are. There we go. All right. I want to go to that 1272. So 71,549 is the target. Stop loss. We're keeping it tight. Keeping it tight. We should not put in another lower low. So we are looking for 70,361 is our stop loss. 70,361. 70361. There we are. And then our profit taking. I forgot what number I said. Oh boy. 71,549. 71,549. And there we go. So we are doing a 3-to-1 trade setup. You have the opportunity of losing 20% or gaining 60% on this 50x long on the corn. On the corn. So yeah, on this chart, it would be up here and right down here. So we got our alerts set up. If anybody has any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to drop them in the chat. Either chat is fine, whether it be on YouTube. If you are a member, it is members only night. But if you're not a member and you want me to chit chat, hit the link in the description down below. Join us over on Pumpkin. You can join the chat that's over here, and I can actually look at whatever assets you want. You can ask whatever questions you want. You can chat freely, but you will have to join me after making an account. So there's that. Just finished dinner. What's up, Rich? How you doing? You just finished dinner? Came in here just in time to watch me lose some money? Love it. Love it! But yeah, we are long on the confirmed 5-minute breakout. We're looking for the 1272 to play out. We'll see if it does. See if it does. But the trade is going pretty good. Pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. I gotta keep an eye on gold though. Gold, I am down right now. Down and out. We're not doing good. We're down 20% on a 40x long. I am long on gold though. I think gold's gonna make that 618 retracement after it got kind of shafted the other day. Kind of shafted. Yeah. Outside of this, I was watching Bering Sea Gold and I almost missed my start time for the stream. Almost completely missed it. Bering Sea Gold is one of the more addictive shows for me to watch. I don't know what it is about watching guys diving in the water and trying to get gold, but man, that is an entertaining little show. Oh yeah, I was also writing up my workout plan for this off season for rugby. So you know, just keeping myself busy, a little busy out here, a little busy. Now, in an ideal world for this trade, we won't actually drop below this level. Like, this is an ideal world because we were acting as support. I'm looking at this as sweeping of all the long. Yeah, sweep the longs. Now get a nice run up. Have this as your higher low at 70,559. I'll be really happy. We start getting below it, I'm going to be really worried because we could get a confirmation low. We could have come all the way down to this little blue box of hope. There's a number of things that can go wrong. So with how the crypto market's been acting lately, we're not taking any chances out here. We are not taking any chances. I also stopped leaving trades open when I walked away from the computer. It's been rough. I don't know. I didn't know you had a start time. Well, today I did. Today I had a start time. Today's start time was 8:30 my time for this, because that's what I told the person that I talked to about streaming on here when I said I'd go live. So yeah, I had a start time. It's around 8:30 Pacific Standard. Oh. Well, that's kind of weird. Oh, it's because it's showing through the YouTube. Okay. So, we can see our whole YouTube chat at the same time as seeing all of our chat on. Well, that's great. This looks like a break of structure on the 5-minute. Retest where you could open a short, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable opening up shorts overnight anymore. So weird things have been happening overnight. Like everybody who went short last night, they got stopped out first. Like how annoying was that? Because last night this was the downtrend. that it was like, okay, we're going down, we're going down, we're going down, popped straight up out of there to then roll over in the morning. Like, it, oh man. So I'm thinking, what's to stop it from testing overhead resistance, creating another slightly higher high, and then rolling over again? I just, Crypto's been weird, man. It has been weird. I'm so happy there are 34 different stocks that I can trade on weeks. Because, no crap, today I only traded silver. That's all I traded. I traded silver. They were both GBs, bonus, and bolt directions. Totally normal. Hey, man. You call it normal. I call it stopping everyone out. Pull the fibs. Oh, boy. Which direction am I pulling from, though? We're talking about right here? Getting almost to that 786? That you mean? And then see there, it's like they're making me have to think more than normal. Then you go all the way down to your 1272. Not quite the 1618. Kind of crazy. The golden pocket. I thought the golden pocket was a 618 to like the 65 or something. I will never put the 65 on my fibs. I like the common retrace area at the 50 to 618. I like that area. I don't like that golden pocket area. Golden pocket area bothers me a lot. Oh, we're getting pooped on gold. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're still in the green on our Bitcoin trade for now, but man, it's like all momentum to break out just stalled in its tracks. Let's see how the new 15-minute candle does. We got another 15 minutes before the 4-hour candle close. Also, is it just me, or was the whole market just at a standstill all day? Looking at it in Discord. Let's see what we got here. What do we got here? You have so many lines on here. I don't even know what you're showing me. What indicator are you using now? What indicator is this? Where you're getting your strong high. Is this smart money tactics? Is that where you're putting in there? Or smart money concepts? Is that what you're using now? What are you doing, Rich? What are we doing? I feel like that's what you're using. Smart money concepts. That's what it is. See, I knew it. I knew it. You know, there is one thing. I do wish this tiny little square was a much bigger. Like, it looks a lot better like this. It looks so much better like this. But then you can't see the chat. Not at all. I was like, okay, the chart's cool and all, but where's my chat? Because I don't need to see this side of things. I would much rather see the chat. It's wild. This is the trade. We're going. I need to really change this thing up. Hold on. Visibility. That's not doing it. There we go. Yeah, I don't want the background. I like to see things. Oh, that's so much cleaner. All right. Sorry, I like seeing the background, so it doesn't look like a paint by numbers. It's just, whew, wild and crazy, wild and crazy. All right, so we have Bitcoin on the move. We got Ethereum coming up to a breakout. I like the Ethereum breakout more because we could have a major move to the upside. Could see a 4% move up on Ethereum with this breakout if it happens. 15 minutes says it's happening. 15 minutes says, hey, we're game on, bro. You're getting this 618 today. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What's our 1 hour telling us? A 1 hour is saying tough titty. You're still below that 200. You know, I can gamble on it. I got a low amount in one of my accounts here. Let's go with 25x. What do you guys think? 25x on Ethereum? I think we can muster that. What are we doing here? I don't want that. I want this. There we go. All right, we're going to do Ethereum. Yeah. You know what? Let's at least go 35, right? At least we'll do 35x. I think that'll be all right. I think it'll be okay. I should really figure out what percentage to the downside I need. This would be a lot smarter. That is only 2% to the downside. This is not a favorable trade. This is a 1.65 to 1. Ugh. Gross. We're going to tighten this thing up. We're going to tighten this up a lot. Minimal risk now. This is now a 4 to 1 trade setup. We're going to do that. That's what we're going to do. On the 15 minute. Great. Awesome. Let's jump in there. Let's jump on in. There we go. Stop loss in place. Where are we taking profit at? 22.48. 22.48. Okay, 22.47.76. We're not gonna push it. We're just gonna do that. Just doing that. All right. So we're in both Ethereum and Bitcoin as well as gold. Oh, Bitcoin taking us for a ride right now. Taking us for a ride. If Bitcoin pans out, if Bitcoin hits its target, we already know Ethereum will hit its target too. So those two we don't really have to pay that close attention to. Probably need to pay more attention to gold because it is just hemorrhaging price right now. Oh my goodness. For a $35 trillion asset, what are we doing? Also, why does it have volatility? Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Anyways, Rich, how was your day? Anything new and exciting happening in your world? Is the sun shining? Less snow? Oh, here we go. Gold. I mean, Bitcoin, not gold. Discord. Until BTC breaks out, I'm not longing anything. All right. Yeah, I have that downtrend marked out as well. I got it as well. I just think the breakout's coming. I think it's coming. But it makes sense. That makes sense. You woke up 3 hours ago? Wait, like for the day? Hold on, what? You slept all day until 3 hours ago. No wonder you're up all night. Things do look bullish. Yep. What just happened to our... Are you kidding me? We got technical difficulties on Pumpkin. What are we doing? All right, we're back. We're back. Got Pumpkin going through a little technical difficulty, losing the screen share. That was scary. You've been a night owl. It's wild. Wrecked. Got totally wrecked. We're still up 2% on the trade, though. Still up 2%. Yeah, things got really bullish as soon as Wall Street, like, turned their computers off. Yeah, oof. Literally, it was right when it turned 5 p.m. for me. All of a sudden, I see all the markets reacting. I was like, what happened? What was the news? But yeah. Silver started going up, gold started going up, everything started going up. It was weird. It's really weird. Is it my PC that's struggling? Actually, if my PC is struggling, I don't even know what to do. Not much more powerful I'm willing to go. Tell you what, not much more powerful. Margin rate is infinity? Wait, what? That's crazy. Crazy. Oh no, Bitcoin, stop it. Just go straight up. That'd be perfect. Silver hitting 61. Interesting. Silver was in a really interesting spot earlier today. I got into it because I saw this ascending triangle, and I think it's going to keep going up. I think you're going to see $78. But let's get rid of this real quick. So this ascending triangle, let's get rid of this too. This ascending triangle right here is the whole reason I got into the trade. I was like, this looks beautiful. It's going to squeeze up there like a little pimple. So yeah, I jumped headfirst into it. And I rode it all the way till about this section right here. I was feeling really stupid for taking profit, and it kept running. So I was, I think I only did like a 35x long on it, but man, it was printing. It was printing. But it looks like it's not done yet. So I took like 100% on the trade, maybe. Or maybe when I sold it off, it was like 86%, something like that. But yeah, this is like a 400% trade that I'm just giving up on. 61 means it dropped 50% from the meme coin. Like, wait, coin like pump it had. Oh, gotcha. Well, that's not bad then. That's not a bad thing. Getting that 50% break, that means there's value to be had. It looks like Ethereum's trying to go positive. So yeah, Ethereum's getting that breakout that I would guess you're looking for. I would guess. Bitcoin's still struggling. Still struggling. Oh, we got somebody out here shorting Bitcoin right now. Interesting. Interesting. Now we're in competition. He's fading my trade. They're fading my trade. No. They're doing the opposite. Oh, that's funny. Hey, did you hear reasons to buy Walmart all of a sudden? So Walmart, they're about to switch over all of their price tags to digital price tags. Can you believe that? Good luck. I never thought I'd say this, but I'm thinking we got. Yeah, I don't know. I got a rule. If they have digital price tags, that's a store that's not for me. I can't shop there. You can change your prices on a whim. I'm good. I don't like that. I want somebody to have to like actually do some labor to change those prices. That's nah. There's only one place I'm okay with it, and that's Kohl's. Cause all it ever is like, hey, check out and see what our discounts are. Thank you. That's good. But Walmart, no, I don't believe it. I don't believe Walmart's gonna do the right and proper thing. I think there's about to be a lot of shady business practices out there. Just personal thought. Oh, Ethereum went positive. That's good. We're still positive on the Bitcoin trade, but only just. Wow. Just barely. I guess I could get rid of this now, can't I? So everybody can see it. You can see it. See it with your eyes. We'll say, just normal day trading, a lot less to talk about. A lot less. A lot less. Get this right, I might just start reading off my Twitter page. Sheesh. What are the current news events? No, that's what my TikTok's for. Everyone go to my TikTok. It's a great place to be. Oh, by the way, Rich, I know you're still here. Can you still chat in Pumpkin in voice? I have no idea, honestly.
Can you do me a favor? I opened this and I realized I don't want it. Can you drink it, please?
Then why did you open it?
I thought I wanted one. Thank you. Appreciate it. Love you.
Yeah, I have no idea if you can still do that. There are a lot of changes in Pumpkin. Lots of changes. Oh, gold. Don't you do me dirty. If I get done dirty by gold, it's going to be a terrible time. Terrible time. Can enable trade pop-ups. You have that. Clear the chat, lock, blacklist, admin, share, settings. I don't think you can. Yeah, I don't think you can. Huh. That was a really cool feature before. Yeah, that was actually like worthwhile feat. They should bring that back. Okay, Bitcoin's starting to go south on us, which means Ethereum's gonna do the same thing. Oh boy. We're in it. We're in it. 4 hour candle coming to a close. Now, are we gonna get taken to the promised land or not? New 4 hour candle has just begun. Alright, let's see how the games get going. Oh, apply for a mic. I can approve you. So approve. Hey, you're in there. Would you look at that? How did you apply for a mic? That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, I am not in the mood for a beer. Wow. Okay. Alright. Well, hey, you're mic'd up, bro. You're mic'd up. Don't be too shy to speak.
All right, can you hear me?
I can definitely hear. Oh, there's probably echo like crazy. Hold on.
Yeah, second.
Holy crap.
I have an echo.
No. I'm probably creating the echo. Oh, wait. Actually, let's find out. No. I'm probably creating the echo. Oh, wait. Actually, let's find out. No. I'm probably. Actually, it wasn't that bad.
Okay.
All we did was hear you.
Yeah, so there's a little green hand button at the bottom of the screen, and that's what I clicked, and it put me in the chat.
Oh, got it.
I didn't even know it was going to do that. I was just clicking things.
Well, I guess my mic does pick up your voice a little bit.
All right, well, I'm going to hop out anyways because I'm going to go do a couple things. I was just messing around.
Oh, no, you're all good. You're all good. We're still green on the trade.
We are. Plus, I'm eating a little bit. So, yeah, I'm going to hop out. If you're still streaming in a little bit, I'll be back.
All right, sounds good, man.
Okay.
Wow. We are getting devastated on gold right now. That's the 15-minute. Whoa, 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 whoa. 15-minute. You're doing me this dirty? 15-minute? Oh my god, what is this? Oh, I got a lot going on this chart. Wait, this isn't not my normal gold chart. Oh wait, that's because I know what happened. T. XAUT. There it is. Okay. Here we go. Alright, he should pull up at least the 1 hour. Oh, actually it's pulling back at a perfect time. Gold's probably going down lower. That was a bad trade on my part on gold. Oh no. That is a perfect bearish backtest. Wow. What's our 4 hour doing? Our 4 hour still has some relative hope. You didn't touch that 50 simple yet. Huh. Yeah, I'm just gonna raise the stop loss. Screw it. I'm gonna raise the stop loss. So if we hear the ding, we're gonna know I got completely shafted on my gold trade. But it's okay. We're gonna regroup. We're gonna come back stronger than ever next time. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna lose 45% and learn from our mistakes. That's all we can ever do. Yeah. But if we don't lose it, 200% gain. You know, there's silver lining. Silver lining. Anyways, Bitcoin barely in the green. We're up 1%. Took 50x to do that. We feel good about it. We feel good about it. Should have just been trading gold, apparently. Oh boy. Oh boy. Or Ethereum. Hold on, Ethereum's okay still. Look at that. We have super tight stop losses out here. Super tight stop losses, but Ethereum in the green. Let's go Ethereum. On a breakout. Ethereum might be a real breakout, though. That's a 4 hour candle that's breaking out with. Okay, done eating, but I'm gonna jump in the shower. Lurk mode activated. Alright, man. You go get clean. You filthy animal. It's all good. I'm gonna be live for another like 22 minutes probably. 22 minutes, then we might call it. Or this trade's gonna execute. I'm gonna look like a genius, and I'm gonna watch Bering Sea Gold before I go to bed. Yeah, I think the state of the market till the end of the week is going to be a little bit awkward. Feeling like it's going to be awkward. Big futures expirations coming on Friday. Not only because it's the last Friday of the month, but also it's the last Friday of Q1. So that's going to cause a lot of, I don't know, a lot of whales trying to move the market in whatever direction they were betting on. And then starting April, we should start seeing some more normal price action. More normal. Whatever that might mean that these times of life. A more normal. Oh, how I don't want this. Oh, how I don't want it. Whoa, Bitcoin waking up. Let's go, baby. Woo! We smelled out the trade. We smelled it. All right, everybody on YouTube who's watching, there is a link in the description down below over on Pumpkin. If you wanted to be a part of this trade, you actually could have just joined me live on Pumpkin and copied the trade while I'm live covering it. And you too would be up a whopping 8%, 9% right now. 9 whole percent. You know we're at 11%. We're doing it. We're doing things. So yeah, join me on Pumpkin. The best part about it, you can also get rebates from getting your first $500,000 in trading volume, which if we're trading at 50x leverage, that 500,000 comes way faster than you think. Way faster. Because remember, 100x at $100, that is 10,000 buckaroos. If we make multiple 50x trades, guess what? We'll be there. We'll be there. So anyways, shameless plugs are over. Our gold trade is still doing horrendous. I mean, absolutely horrendous. But at least we're getting Ethereum going in the right direction, Bitcoin going in the right direction. You know, silver linings. Silver linings. And every day you make an extra $1, that's one less day you could join OnlyFans. One less day. Oh, Bitcoin, can you go a little bit quicker? That'd be phenomenal. Just get a nice little break-a-rooney. We'll break out a doodle. Breaker outer. I think I need to grow this account as well. I need to grow this puppy. Oh, what is gold doing? Nothing. Gold is doing nothing. Oh, man. Let's check out the other pumpkin trades. Let's see what else we could be possibly playing around with once we take I still think Hyperliquid might be the way to go. Hyperliquid just might be the way. You got Solana waking up right now. This is... Oh, wait a minute. Solana's in a great position. 31% possible upside is what we mentioned the other day. We got a breakout and a back test at $89. This is actually quite interesting. Quite interesting. 117 to 119 would be our target for Solana. Solana looks pretty decent. Looks pretty decent. Yes, this does resemble very strongly of a bear flag. But we're breaking a downtrend. And it's a major downtrend we've been stuck in for months. Ever since September. Oh boy. Ever since September, we are breaking out now on a nice little trajectory to the upside. Even if you came back down to $78, you're doing pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. Gold's catching the bids again. That's nice. Ethereum still catching those bids. Bitcoin, we're up 11% on the trade. We're doing all right. We're doing all right tonight. Closing in on profit taking. Closing in. Remember, this trade setup, it's a 60% gain, but don't you scoff at that. Don't you scoff at that. We're playing the short game here. Short-term trade setup. We were on the 5-minute time frame. This might go down in history as the first ever day trade that I executed and finished while live. I don't know what happens every time I do this, but the trades end up taking forever. We are hitting overhead resistance right now. So this is a moment of truth for Bitcoin. Are we going to break out and then just run up to overhead resistance, or are we going to get held down by our hair and cry a little bit on the inside? I don't want to cry a little bit on the inside. So Bitcoin, if you could do me a huge favor, just start running, bud. Just start going. That would be really, really nice of you. Everybody on YouTube, I understand it's members only chat. If you want to chat a little bit, you can always check the links in the description down below. You can join me on Pumpkin, where over here in this chat, I will see everything you're saying, and we can chit chat it up. You can request different tokens, different assets, different things you want to see. We can do all that. Otherwise, you're just gonna have to wait until the next live stream, or just hope and pray that I make a static video going over whatever asset it is. I do also have a Discord where, you know, got a nice little spot in that Discord to request different charts if you wanted. So there's always that. There's always that. If you're afraid to talk on stream. Anyways, we've been live about 45 minutes now. We're gonna stick it out for another at least 15 minutes. And you know what? I think if this does not start moving to the upside further, I'm gonna equate this to mean, oh, resistance is holding. I might actually close out the trade really early, because I don't want to be in this trade while I'm sleeping. I really don't want to be in a trade while sleeping. It'll keep me awake, and I gotta be up early tomorrow. I'd be up like really early tomorrow. It's frustrating. Gotta be up by 5. Ugh, gross. Gross. Oh. We got a pump moving. Oh, it's like really moving. Wait a minute. Pump Fund is making a comeback. If this thing breaks out of this zone, that'll be absolutely amazing. I'm going to tell you what. Because this is a confirmation low. And if that is the case, we might see the common retrace. So Pump Fund might not be dead just yet. Someone's out there trading it. And we can trade it on Pumpkin. Whoa, that's a big return. Hold on. Excuse me? I would put it right there. Account for 7% to the downside. This is a 6-to-1 trade setup. Wow. There's some opportunity on Pump Fund. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that one bit. Alright, new 15-minute candle coming in. We are now red on the 15. Not great. Not ideal. Second red candle on the 5-minute. We're still up 8%. But that's nothing to call home about. That's nothing to be too excited about. It's only 8%. It's 50x leverage. We want to at least get 1% to the upside. If we can get that 1% one time, we're gonna be a lot happier. And if, you know, gold could start going back up, that would make me really cheerful. But here we are. Here we are, just disappointed. As soon as I entered the trade with just straight down. Feels like crypto all over again. Oh man. Ethereum, we're only up at 3%. Kind of sad. 4% now. This is a 35x long on Ethereum. It's actually a pretty decent setup, but if Bitcoin pulls back, we know it's going to fail. We know for a fact it will fail. So, unfortunate. Unfortunate. Yeah, all Bitcoin needs to do is just finish its move off. Then we all can be excited because we had our trade, made our money, go to bed with a smile. But if Bitcoin wants to play hardball, well, then I guess we gotta play hardball back. Start shorting it. Force it to the upside. Liquidity exit. Alright, Bitcoin struggling a lot more suddenly. Let's see how quickly we're resetting the stochastic on the 5 minute. Not fast enough. That's how fast we're going. If we can stay above the VWAP, we have hope. If we cannot stay above the VWAP, sucks. We're going down. That average weighted volume, that kind of that really does matter. The volume weighted average. VWAP. Yeah, average price. There we go. Words are hard sometimes. Acronyms are worse. Don't get mad at me. Don't you get mad. I do wonder if we're allowed to have music on Pumpkin. I know we can't on YouTube. If we can have music on Pumpkin, just like on TikTok, oh man, we're gonna open the floodgates of music being on stream. YouTube's kind of the worst with the copyright laws, but I guess TikTok doesn't care. This is the slowest trade of all time. Slowest trade of all time. 5 minute chart. Should settle within like a couple hours. You know, we got the breakout. We're just doing nothing afterwards. No more bids, no spiking in price, no nothing. Just chilling and grilling. Chilling and grilling. Alright. Well, we've gotten into counting down the minutes. Counting down the minutes. Boom, 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 boom. Gold's turning it back up. Beautiful. Ethereum, stop struggling. Bitcoin, we need you. Bitcoin, we need you. That was a pretty juicy candle right there, though. Pretty darn juicy. All right. Pretty funny. That's pretty funny. All right, everybody. Well, the paint is still drying on this trade. We are just waiting. Just waiting. We're in our trades already. We're oh jeez. Oh jeez. Bitcoin does look like it wants to come back down to the VWAP again. Could go a bit deeper if you haven't gotten into this trade and we actually hold on to 70,559. That might be the entry for you. Things don't look bad to me. I mean, we got on the 15-minute, your 200 simple moving average is pointing straight up. Tried to get a bearish cross, but we're popping straight up out of there. We are in a nice bull flag right now. We have not done a common retrace of like our lowest possible common retrace. And if we go out to higher time frames, I mean, the 1 hour is not overbought anymore. Yes, we're below the 200, but I think if things keep going the way they are, we should see it break above that 200 maybe by tomorrow, if not by tonight. I'm kind of banking on tonight getting a nice pop to the upside and, you know, finishing off the move that I just entered, but seem to be dead in the water right now when it comes to investors trying to buy in, which if that is the case, that means the Ethereum breakout probably won't last. Could be a fake out, which that'll be really frustrating. Really frustrating, because still haven't made the common retrace. We're trying. We're buckling down. Welcome back, Rich. We're buckling down. We're trying to break that 200. It just, goodness gracious, we are stuck in between a rock and a hard place on these moving averages. Yeah, just sitting back and waiting, which is no fun. The fact that we lost all the momentum and we have a high stochastic kind of makes me feel like we might want to take profit, get out of there, wait for the morning, see what happens. But yeah, just it's like that little bit was the move. That little bit. That's all the Bitcoin bulls had to offer. Like that's disappointing. Very disappointing. Like for a second there, it was like, oh, we're going great. Never mind. Who's suppressing the prices? I want to know. I want names. I want names. I want addresses, facial recognition, and you know what? I want to know what their least favorite Teletubby is, because my goodness, just gonna send them a bunch of pictures of them. Like, this is your Teletubby. You did this. Oh, we got more people going short over here on Pumpkin. Oh, Bitcoin. Apparently I just had to talk a little trash. How to get somebody to go short on Ethereum to let Bitcoin start moving in the right direction. Great. Great. The more trash we talk, the better the price action, I guess. Everybody, give Bitcoin all you got. Just sling all the mud. Just sling it. They don't like it when you talk dirty to them. They don't like it. But they really don't want to break out of this little downtrend. They really don't. Man. But the sell pressure seems to be like dying off. It's weird. It's weird out here. It's eerie. And our gold trade, we're still in the negative. We raised that stop loss up a lot, but gold's being disappointing to me. Disappointing. I would love to see gold fly to the upside. Just break to the upside. Do what it did a couple months ago. Go nuts. But if that happens, we're probably going to see Bitcoin fall, so never mind. So very boring. I feel like my stop loss is a lot tighter. No, it's not. No, it's not. I might tighten up my Bitcoin stop loss. Just might. Just to make the bots angry, you know? They'd be like, we're not going to steal his money today. No. the AGI. They're learning. They need to learn through bad trading practices. That's what they need to learn. Alrighty. Well, not much is happening. We're into the new 4-hour candle. We're up 10% on the trade. We could take our measly little profits and focus in on tomorrow morning, or let it ride. But either way, I think I'm about to hop on out of here. This was fun. This was great. We're gonna do more pumpkin live streams. Join if you're in the Discord. Great. You're gonna start getting notifications of if I'm day trading during the day. I'm probably gonna just do it on pumpkin because I need to grow this account. I really do. We'll get some real money in here so I can just up my volume. But anyways, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. I appreciate each and every one of you who showed up. You're great. Take 50% profit, move stop to entry, let it ride. Nah, I'd probably just exit at this point. Probably just exit. Oh, look at that. Talking my trash. We're getting that move up. Trying to get off stream. That's why they're pushing it. Okay. All right. So as soon as I want to leave, breakout coming. Oh, trying to keep me around. I see that. I see what they're doing. I see them. I'm positive there's a bunch of breakout traders now. I am positive of that. You're not breakout trading. What are you doing? The impulse is where it's at. You know, if people are buying the breakouts, that means we're in bullish times in the market. Bearish times, you buy the back test, not the breakout. Let's see how the move goes. If it sweeps the high, it's going down. Yeah, you're right. I agree with you. I think it is going to sweep the high. And we can take profit there. I want to see it sweep the high. That's all I'm looking for. Small little move. That's all I'm looking for. Small little move. Get us a little overbought on low time frames and roll on over. Give us a back test and let it ride in the morning. That'd be great. But beggars can't be choosers. Right when we thought we were getting the move, pulling right on back. So yeah, I'm going to get on out of here. Appreciate you guys. You're amazing. Rich, thanks for stopping in. You're awesome as always. Hopefully your trades continue to keep paying how they have been, because you have been like a hawk on the charts. It's absolutely wild, but it's great to see it paying off. You're negative 16% on your short. I'm going to stay in it. All right, man. You stay in it. Good luck. Good luck. All right, I'm going to hop on out of here. Keep stop losses tight, everybody. Deuces. You're the best. Alrighty.